This is part 2 of my project for building conscious allyship. I'm actually going to show you the project. I'm not going to go through all of it just because of time. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So this is Transformative and Restorative Justice, an overview for somatic sex educator and sexological body worker community. And I do give an acknowledgement, a little message for somatic sex educators, an understanding of what we're going to be looking at in the project, answering the questions, what is transformative justice, what's restorative justice, and something really important here about this project as well, which I'm very proud of, is that all of the photos and images used, I actually photographed. I took them all, mainly all in either San Francisco or Sacramento, a few of them. This page in particular that you see here, this is very important because the project was focused specifically on somatic sex educators, understanding the grievance process that is used for sexological body workers. Now, the great thing about this project for me, just to finish up, is that I actually attended the Grievance Council meeting a week ago, and I'm now officially on the Grievance Council, as well as somebody who's looking at the policies of how we work. So I feel like I took this a step further and actually took action. This inspired me to actually become more involved with my community of peers, sexological body workers and somatic sex educators. Within this project, I also integrated different quotes from our texts and a few other sources. Talked about the two different paths, as we call them, the green path and the purple path, one referring to what used to be called the victim path or the perpetrator path. But we don't use those words really, but it gives context to what we are sharing about. And we're very close to the end. I'm just going to sum this up with, I give a set of questions for somatic sex educators. And then, like I said, a lot of these pieces were resourced from my own training that was facilitated at the end of August and the beginning of September. And here we are coming to the end. Of course, my favorite picture from Sicily that I took, and a little bit of an overview. So I will upload these slides as well.